So, I found a problem when I was live streaming on OBS. When I was on Twitch live streaming, there was a problem. I kept getting a buzzing sound. And here's an example. And yeah, it was really annoying. And I realized something was going on. Whenever it was full cam like this, I wouldn't hear it. But whenever I was in the gameplay, I would hear it. So it was something in that scene that was causing a buzzing sound. That was annoying me as all crazy. The funny thing is I didn't hear it at first. I didn't originally hear it. It was actually one of my friends who pointed it out to me. And I'm like, I don't hear a thing. Then I rewatched the footage. Sure enough, there was something there. There was a buzzing sound. And it took me a couple days to figure out what was going on. Well, I figured out what that problem was. That problem was actually an aux cable. So, it was actually my Elgato ChatLink Pro. Now, it wasn't the cable. Trust me, it was not the cable. It was actually my error. I just left it plugged in. Because to give you an example, this is what you'd hear. Yeah, isn't that annoying, that buzzing sound? Apparently what I did was I left this little cable plugged in. And as some people know that if you have an aux cable and you touch it, it can make a sound. But I left it plugged in to my Wii U gamepad when it wasn't on. We can't really hear it now because I just now plugged it in. But yeah, that was my problem. It was annoying. It was so annoying. And I couldn't figure it out for days. Ah, there it is. Wait a minute. No, it's not just me leaving it in. It's the gamepad charging and leaving it in. Ha! Okay. I thought it was just me leaving it in. No, it's me leaving it in while it's charging. That's the problem. Because when I didn't think it was the gamepad at first because every time I let go, it doesn't make the sound. Okay. Well, now I learned. I learned something. Do not have the aux cable plugged in while the gamepad's charging. Yep. But hey, problem solved. I don't get that annoying sound. Or a possibility is I can leave it plugged in, but just mute the whole thing on my side, which I can do. I can do that. I can do that. Well, yeah. Anywho, bye-bye. Bye.